If you're in the UK and you want to start investing, but you're not sure where to begin, this video will save you hours of confusion. Here's the simplest, safest, beginner-friendly way to get started, without needing to pick stocks, time the market, or learn complicated strategies. Step 1. Open a stocks and shares ISA. This is the easiest tax-efficient account for UK investors. Any gains you make inside an ISA are completely tax-free. No capital gains tax, no dividend tax, no paperwork, just simple investing. Step 2. Choose a low-cost global index fund. This is the part most beginners overthink. A global index fund spreads your money across thousands of companies around the world. It's diversified, it's low risk, and historically, it has outperformed most professional investors. Step 3. Automate your contributions. Set up a monthly direct debit. Even £25 or £50 is enough to start. This is called pound cost averaging. It smooths out the ups and downs of the market and builds wealth quietly in the background. Step 4. Leave it alone. The biggest mistake beginners make is checking their portfolio every day. Investing is not about speed. It's about consistency. Let time and compound growth do the heavy lifting. So to recap, open a stocks and shares ISA, pick a global index fund, invest monthly, and stay consistent. That's the easiest way to start investing in the UK. And it works for almost everyone. If you want more simple investing breakdowns, hit subscribe. New videos every week.